what's up guys? So I'm just gonna make a quick video real quick. I got the Stilo right here. What we're gonna be doing is swapping out for a blue iridium visor. These come brand new with the clear visors, but most of the track days you're gonna have are gonna be during the day, and I don't want to keep on wearing shades while I'm using my helmet. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this in. It's pretty simple. I don't think I saw any videos on YouTube about this, so I just wanted to make one for anyone else who's curious, but it's super simple. All you need is a 4mm Allen key, and what you're gonna do is both sides of the visor have a 4mm key right here. You're just gonna go ahead and unscrew them. And this is the ST5 Stilo helmet. This version specifically is the composite. It comes in silver, white, and black. Extremely comfortable. They look sick, and yeah, very lightweight too. They have carbon fiber trim ones as well, and those are extremely light. It feels like you're wearing nothing on your head. But overall, I love the quality of this helmet. It's one of the better ones on the market for sure, and yeah, I have no complaints for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these two 4mm Allen bolts, I guess, Allen nuts, and then go ahead and drop in the new visor, and I'll check in and show you guys what it looks like after. But here's what it looks like now. Cool. Okay, so once you've removed the washer and the nut itself, it's basically two on both sides. Just pop off the visor. Comes out pretty easy. This one's really dusty from button willow. It's kind of sticky too for some reason. I don't know what type of coating maybe they put on it, but yeah. Oh, same with this one. This one's kind of sticky too on the backside. So install's gonna be the same process. Just line it up, drop it in. Same with the other side. Line it up with the hole. Line it up with the hole, and then you can go ahead and screw it in. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But yeah, let's take a look at it all screwed in and all done up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. One sec. All right, so I got the visor put on. Looks pretty dope. And looking outside, to be honest with you, it's perfect. It does its job very well. So yeah, it should be pretty dope, but I think it looks sick. Let me put this down. So this is the blue iridium. Basically, I got this from Winding Road. I forget what the whole website's called, but they sell a bunch of gear for being on track. They sell suits, helmets, driving shoes, basically anything you can think of that's track related as far as gear, gloves. They sell it there on the Winding Road. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. I'm not sponsored by them. This is where I bought all my stuff, and I got a pretty good deal on it. So yeah, that'll do it for this video. Also, one last thing before I go, these don't screw in very tight, okay? So you kind of just want to, as soon as you meet resistance and you start to have to actually push it and dig into it, that's when you just want to stop. Any tighter, and then you make lifting and lowering the visor more difficult than it needs to be. So yeah, just kind of hand tight, I guess. A little bit further past hand tight, and you'll be straight. But other than that, take it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is the Stilo ST5 helmet. This is a composite one. And this visor I bought also from Winding Road. So yeah, take it easy. Later.